Today, we will be installing a PUREFLOW cabin air filter in a 2018 Tesla Model S. A 10mm and 13mm socket wrench, as well as a box cutter or knife, are required to complete this install. After lifting the hood, unscrew the 2 plastic screws and remove all plastic paneling. Next, we will remove the trunk lining. First, remove the rubber gasket, unplug the light, and disconnect the emergency release. Now remove the lining. Using a 10mm and 13mm socket wrench, remove all bolts securing the plastic tub. Ensuring you do not catch the wires, remove the tub to access the air filter. To release the filter housing, pull out on the plastic tabs on either side. Using a knife or box cutter, carefully cut around the old filter to remove it. Slide in the new filter. Realign the filter housing and ensure that the plastic tabs lock into place. Next, we will reinstall the plastic tub. Ensure that you feed the wires back into the tub and drop it into place. Using your 10 and 13mm socket wrenches, reinstall all bolts securing the plastic tub. Reattach the emergency release and reconnect the trunk lights. And then slide in the trunk liner. Reinstall the rubber gasket. Now, in reverse order, reinstall all the plastic paneling. Screw in the plastic screws and attach the final piece of paneling. And with that, we conclude this install.
What makes PUREFLOW filters unique are the 4 layers of filtration technology: a filtration layer to eliminate dust and pollen, activated charcoal to trap mold and harmful gases from pollution, baking soda to absorb bad musty smells, and antimicrobial technology to suppress the growth of bacteria, mold, mildew, and fungi. PUREFLOW. Breathe better air.